This is where I'll be living for the next 30 days. Okay, so I'll be posting 30 videos in 30 days. I know it sounds insane and it probably is, but let me explain why I'm actually doing this. I've always loved the idea of YouTube. Not just making videos, but actually sharing my life, my process, and everything I'm working on. But I've struggled so much with consistency. Like, I'll have ideas, I'll plan, and either I overthink them or I just never record or edit them. And I never hit uploads at the end. So I thought, what if I just forced myself to stop overthinking? And what if I gave myself a challenge where I have no option but to upload every single day? That way, it's less about perfection and more about just building the habit of posting and of just showing up. I did actually try doing this challenge, but I didn't get very far. I wasn't prepared, I didn't plan ahead, and it was just too much at that time. And I hated how it ended because it felt like I failed in some way. But at the same time, that attempt showed me what exactly not to do. This time, I already have 2 or 3 videos recorded, which gives me a little cushion, before starting. So I'm not starting completely from zero. But for the most part, these videos will be filmed and edited the same day, which is terrifying but also kind of exciting. And here's my rule to myself, it's 30 videos in 30 days. So if I do end up missing a day, that doesn't mean the challenge is over. It just means that the next day I have to post twice. The number is what matters. By the end of these 30 days, there will be 30 videos on this channel. No excuses. My goal isn't to, blow up overnight or anything like that. It's more personal than that. I just want to prove to myself that I can do something consistently and that I can show up even when it's not perfect. I also want to get comfortable on camera and more comfortable of just letting go of the pressure because YouTube isn't about making a masterpiece every single time. It's about sharing, and I want to share how it looks like to, build this from the ground up. To keep myself sane, I've been trying to plan ahead. I've got a content calendar. I have batched a few ideas and I'm making sure I'm realistic with the editing. Some videos will be simple and some will be more polished. But the main thing is just hitting upload. And also, I'll be trying to post on Instagram and TikTok. I have scheduled 3 times a week for my design account, and I'll be also trying to show a bit of my lifestyle stuff. Basically, I'll be everywhere this month, which sounds crazy when I say it out loud. I know this won't be easy, and there will be days where I'll be exhausted, or I will not like how a video turned out, or I just don't feel like talking. But I think that's where the real growth comes from. Like showing up anyway, even when you are uncomfortable. And to be real, I'm not expecting for every video to be amazing at the end. Some might flop, some might be kind of boring, but that's okay. The point isn't to make the best video ever, it's just to keep going. I also want to make this a bit interactive. So if you're watching this and you have some ideas to share or things you want me to talk about, let me know. Seriously, comment, DM me or whatever. I want this to feel like a conversation and not me just talking to you for 30 days straight. And if you're also trying to start something, whether it's YouTube, a creative project, or a new habit, maybe you can use this as a sign to just start. Don't wait until it's perfect, just start. So, yeah, that's the plan, 30 videos in 30 days. It feels overwhelming, but it feels exciting. I don't know how it's going to go, but hopefully by the end of this, I will get more confident, I'll be more consistent, and hopefully I will be more comfortable sharing my life here. Tomorrow is where it officially begins, so wish me luck. and I'll see you then. Bye bye.